Well, good Tuesday morning, the 28th February. I have got 2, 4, 6, 8, equivalent of 10 8-foot logs roughly. It's out of that tree that I took down one of my previous videos on a really crooked tree. So you can see some of these, like this one here, it's got a sweep in it. Look down across it. This one here, it's got a sweep in it this way. So this was, I'm going to try to get some studying out of this material. It's too crooked for logs. I even had to cut some of the stuff into 4-foot lengths. As you can see there, I mean, it's got a sweep up in it. And so I'm going to bring you along. I'm going to see if I can get this tree milled out today. So let's begin and do some milling. Alright, I got the first two done. I've brought you along for most of the two small ones. I'm getting ready to do the third one, which is coming up to about a 6-7 inch log, and the rest are the larger ones. Now, I know I've done this before, but it bears repeating. These were the 2 4-foot and 1 8-foot section, which was the top, the very top of the tree. This is what I got out of that. 4 by 6, roughly 24 board feet, plus that one on the end, which is a 6-7 foot. But this is all pretty clear looking pine. I can use that for whatever, even if it comes down to boarding things in. I mean, it's better than burning it. When that stuff gets dried in the next few months and I run that through the planer, it'll be beautiful. I also got out of the top, I've got a 2x4 plus another strap. So, I mean, this is stuff that normally would get burned, and so I've salvaged as much as I can out of that, and I'm getting ready now to do the next log. So let's mill this one. Okay, I've got 2 more done. So this is number 5. That last one I got mostly boards. I got one 2x6, one 2x6, and I got a 2x4 out of the other one. So the small ones are now pretty much done. I'm getting into a little bit of the bigger ones, so I should be able to get more studding out of them. So let's see. I also put a new blade on. Okay, I'm down to the last 4. This is the biggest one. This is the butt cut, but it's also the crookedest. So let's see what we can get out of it. This is number 8 and perhaps the nicest log of the whole tree. See what we can do with it. Okay, I'm on the last one. It's a little later in the day. All right, well, those 10 logs are gone. I'm just in the process of stacking lumber here before it gets too dark. I got probably somewhere in the vicinity of 25 I'm guessing 20, maybe 20 2x6 by 8, couple 20 or a couple 2x6 by 9, and then maybe a half a dozen or 4 or 5 2x4s. I got a pile of boards, as you can see there. Another stack over there that I've got to stack. And then I got a bunch that I put over here. That was a crooked tree, and so whatever I could get out of it was a bonus. And so it's all sawed up now. That was another one of those crooked ones. Now I've got a bunch of nice straighter trees that I'm going to be bringing down moving forward here, hopefully Thursday. I've got 4 or 5 of them over here that are now pretty much clear to fall down in this area. And so there's 1, 2, 3 right there. And then there's one on up here. I just don't want to shine in the light. So I think what I'm going to do is next one is drop that middle one right here, right up through these 2 hardwood trees. And then the next one will probably be that one there, fall it right through this way, just by the corner of this pile of wood. So should have some nice logs coming out of those. As always, I appreciate you joining me.